Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending Instagram speed ramp video editing using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed CapCut application. And instead of creating new project, you can go to the CapCut templates, because in this video, we're going to use the template from the CapCut templates. So I'm going to go to the templates and then we can search for trending speed ramp. Okay, and there will be a lot of templates that you can use guys, and you can choose one of them. And for example, I'm going to choose I'm going to choose this template, sorry. You can choose the template that you like, and then you can click on use template, and then you can replace the videos in the template with your own videos. And wait for the videos, I'm going to go to this album, and then I'm going to choose this video, this one, and then I'm still choosing my video, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, I'm just gonna pick random videos. Okay, like this, and one more video. Okay, and I have selected all the items, and then we can click on next and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and this is the result, and it's still processing. Hold on. Yeah, and that's so cool. And then if you want to replace the video, just click on your video, and then you can click on replace. You can also add filter, and you can also change the audio, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And once you're ready to export it, just click on the export menu, and then you can select export without watermark to remove the CapCut watermark from the template. Okay, and now the video is being exported, and after that you'll be able to upload it to your Instagram or to your TikTok or YouTube short. It's up to you. Okay, and it's ready to share. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create trending Instagram speed ramp video editing using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.